We now want to factorize x cubed. Take away 7x squared. X cubed is of course x times x times x. But here we could get away with writing it as just x times x squared. We then have the minus sign, and 7x squared is 7 times x squared. We can see the common x squared. Take out the x squared and open a bracket. We have an x left over in the first term, a minus sign, and a 7 left over in the second term. We now have 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi rh. 2 pi r squared can be written as 2 times pi times r times r. We then have the plus sign, and 2 pi rh is 2 times pi times r times h. We can see there's a common 2, pi is common, and an r. So we can write down 2 pi r and open a bracket. What we have left is r, followed by a plus sign and an h. We now have a half m times v squared. Take away a half times m times u squared. So we have a half times m times v squared. Take away a half times m times u squared. So we have a common half and a common m. Take these out, 1/2 m, and open a bracket. We then have v squared left, a minus sign, and the u squared. As we'll find later, this bracket can actually be factorized itself. However, at this stage, we can't do that, so this is the solution we can arrive at this stage. This next example is quite complex. In fact, it's beyond the level they usually give on the GCSE exam. So if you can understand this one, you'll be able to do anything you get given. Generally, when fractions are involved, we try not to leave them inside the bracket, and we can do this as follows. We have 1/2 abc, take away 1/4 a squared b, plus b squared c. We can write the half as 2 times 1/4. We then have times a times b times c. We have the minus sign, and 1/4 can be written as 1 times 1/4 times a for the a squared times b. We then have a plus sign. We have a 1 in here, which we don't normally write. This is 1 times b squared times c, and 1 can be written as 4 times 1/4. So 4 times 1/4 times b times c. So looking for common factors, we have 1/4, and we have a b. And looking carefully, I can see no other common factors, so I open my bracket. I'm left with 2 times a times c, 2ac, a minus sign, 1 times a, which I can just write as a squared, a plus sign, followed by 4 times b times c, or 4bc.